This is one of the largest cleavers from Dahlstrom. Weighing in at just under 3 pounds, this 9-inch beast is called the Obliterator. It's got a wide sharpening angle, so I'm going with 25 degrees on the block and stacking up enough cutting boards to reach the blade. Now I'm just rolling the tumbler to sharpen like normal. Starting with the diamond disc, getting both sides. Okay, switching to the 3000 grit whetstone disc. The 6000 grit whetstone disc. And the last step on the leather strop. And it's razor sharp every time.